Welcome back to True North Market Pulse. This morning, markets are opening with cautious optimism. Let's take a moment to dive into the latest from Wall Street and beyond, with a cup of coffee and a sharp eye on what really matters this week. The S&P 500 futures are mixed this morning as investors weigh fresh jobs data and rate expectations. Treasury yields ticked slightly higher overnight, with the 10-year moving toward 4.5% again. Energy stocks are showing early strength, and tech is holding its breath ahead of more inflation signals later this week. In the futures market, we're seeing the Nasdaq and Dow both hugging the flat line in early trade, while crude oil is making a quiet push back toward $84 a barrel. Gold is steady, and Bitcoin has stabilized just above the $61,000 mark after last week's wild swings. One name catching a lot of attention right now is Bloom Energy. The stock jumped last week after reports of a breakthrough partnership with a major utility. But what's fueling the momentum isn't just news, it's the broader shift toward scalable, clean backup power. Bloom's solid oxide fuel cell systems are gaining real traction as data centers and industrial sites look for grid alternatives. Investors are waking up to the fact that this isn't just hype anymore, it's infrastructure. And speaking of the future, Oklo is on our radar in a big way. The company, backed by OpenAI's Sam Altman, is aiming to revolutionize how we generate power with compact, fast nuclear reactors. It just went public through a SPAC merger and has already sparked big interest from retail and institutional buyers alike. What makes Oklo special? Their technology isn't just theoretical, it's built for deployment. They're targeting government and commercial use cases, and if nuclear sentiment continues shifting positive, Oklo could be the breakout nuclear name of the decade. We're also keeping our eyes on Hewlett-Packard Enterprise. The stock surged after news broke of a major AI infrastructure expansion in collaboration with NVIDIA. HPE is positioning itself as one of the essential players in the AI arms race, not with chips, but with the backbone, servers, networking, and enterprise deployment. The market is finally waking up to how critical those partnerships are in building out real-world AI capabilities. The 10-year Treasury yield remains one of the key charts we're watching. As yields rise, pressure builds on growth stocks and leverage-heavy companies. But here's the twist. High-quality AI and energy infrastructure names are actually thriving in this environment, suggesting investors are prioritizing long-term narratives over short-term rate noise. We've also added 3 new AI plays to our weekly shortlist this morning. One semiconductor name that's flying under the radar, one automation platform being quietly adopted by Fortune 500s, and one data infrastructure stock that just reported a surprise earnings beat. SoundHound AI, voice tech that's gaining real commercial traction. Symbotic, robotics powering Walmart's next-gen warehouses. And Big Bear AI, a speculative name, but with defense and intelligence contracts that could scale fast. If you're enjoying this format, hit that follow button and check out the full channel on YouTube at True North Wealth Strategy, where we post breakdowns, early movers, and stock insights every week. And don't forget to check out our new book on Amazon or Kobo. The link will be in the description. Before we wrap, remember this: true opportunity rarely looks obvious. It hides in the quiet stories, the overlooked sectors, and the new companies solving big, old problems. That's where we look, and that's what we'll keep bringing you every week. Until next time, stay focused. Build slow. Move true north.